Gosh, you're lazy, Xander. Let's go be lazy somewhere else. Tide's up at Yankeetown. Are you up for a swim? That's rarin' to go, buddy. I will.
Come on, buddy. Come on, you can check your P-mail later.
Xander, that's a scam. Awesome. Today we have our favorite little beach nearly all to ourselves. Come on, buddy. There's a stiff onshore wind and a very high tide, so we should have a fun swim today. Great job, buddy. I thought I'd share the views from my chair so you can soak up a little beach magic with us. What a perfect Florida day. Sitting on this pretty little beach with my best buddy, enjoying a cold one. I sure can't complain. That is one very tired greyhound. You know, buddy, you were right about that rarin' rearin' thing. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't doubt the greyhound. I hope you had a good day, buddy. I sure did. I just loaded Xander in the rolling crate when this little guy showed up. Thanks for beaching with us today, friends. Please continue watching to see a trailer for our next adventure at the Cracker Monkey Bar. Greyhounds run fast, right into your heart, and then they go to sleep. Please consider adopting a retired racer. You'll be glad you did. If you enjoy Xander's content, please do us a kindness and tap that thumbs up button. We'd love it if you join our pack by subscribing. Tap the bell icon and select the all notifications option if you'd like to be notified when we post new adventures. Until next time, be well, stay safe, and happy adventuring.